Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be talking about the spoilers for the March Ice Cream Beauty bag and box. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to share these spoilers with you. They're so good. So really quick, if you're not familiar with Ice Cream Beauty bag, it's $12.50 a month plus shipping. You get 3 to 5 full-size items. And the Ice Cream Beauty box is $25 a month. You get 5 to 7 full-size items. You're guaranteed a palette in the box. And if you use code Michelle10, that's going to save you 10% off your first order. It's not a code that I make any money off of. It's just a code to save you a little bit of money. And also really quick, I just wanted to let you know that if you wanted any add-ons, like say you get the box, but you wanted an item out of the bag, you can email her and she will give you the product at a discounted price. You may not get it in your box that month, but you will get it the following month. But I'm going to have the information listed down in the description box for you guys. So if you ever wanted to add anything on, you absolutely can. You just have to shoot her email and she'll let you know for what price. That way you can get your extra item that you're wanting. So if you like these spoiler videos, please make sure that you're giving me a thumbs up because it really helps to push the spoiler videos so other people can see them. And if you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you subscribe before you go. And don't forget to ring the notification bell because I am random over here, girl. I upload twice a week, but it is on different days. But yeah, girl, go ahead, grab your coffee, and let's talk about some spoilers for this month. So, of course, we're going to start off with the Ice Cream Beauty bag. And I always start off with the palette. Okay, so if I butcher this name, please forgive me, but it's the Delanche Avocado Green Palette. And this is a 12-pan palette. You're going to get some greens, yellows, and this looks like some browns, maybe a black, but a beautiful color palette. I love that. If you love green eyeshadows, this is a good palette, and it is a good palette to get in March. All the greens, I love that. So the second spoiler for the Ice Cream Beauty bag is going to be a product from Okalon, and this is going to be their glowing face palette. I absolutely love these palettes. I actually own 2 of them. I like to use the darker shades as my like bronzer toppers, and then I will actually use the color shades as like a blush highlighter duo. And I love them. The formula is amazing. And the third and final spoiler for the Ice Cream Beauty bag is going to be another product from Okalon. And this is going to be a brown eyeliner. And girl, when I tell you this eyeliner is the easiest eyeliner I have ever used, I truly mean that. I am not very good at using liquid eyeliners. And these liquid eyeliners are just like the easiest that I've ever used. Honestly, they are. Okay, you guys, so that was all the spoilers for the Ice Cream Beauty bag. Now, let's get into the Ice Cream Beauty box. Now, for the Ice Cream Beauty box, it's so exciting because Ice Cream and St. Angel Centers are doing a collaboration palette, and I think it is so beautiful. So I'm going to show you a little clip. So this is a 12-pan palette. You're going to get purples, blues, greens. It's a couple of different white shades, and they both have different shifts to them. I am so excited for this palette. I'm just so happy for her. She absolutely deserves this. She works very hard, and they are an amazing company to work with, and I'm just so happy for her. Okay, for the second spoiler for the Ice Cream Beauty box is going to be a product from Bella Pierre. And this is going to be an eye base. So it says that it's going to create a waterproof base for eyeshadows, which is really nice. Or it says that you can use it as a concealer. I mean, I guess some people would be able to use it as a concealer. You know, it depends on if it's going to match your skin tone or not. But I always love to get eyeshadow primers, so I'm glad that we're getting it. And Bella Pierre, I don't think I've gotten a product from them that I don't like. They have really good quality stuff. Okay, so for our third spoiler for the Ice Cream Beauty box is going to be another product from Bella Pierre, and this is going to be their liquid gold highlighter in platinum. So I love to get liquid highlighters. You can always add them to your foundation. You can add them, of course, on top of your foundation as a highlighter, but it also says that you can use it as an all-over highlight. I guess kind of like the e.l.f. Halo Glow filter that everybody really likes. It's probably going to be something close to that. Just gives you like an all-over glow if you wanted to use it like that. Okay, so for our fourth spoiler for the Ice Cream Beauty Box is going to be a product from K&C Beauty. And this is going to be a 6-piece lipstick set. And I'm so excited for that. I love when we get sets because it gives you options and it's not just one color fits everybody. So I really love when subscription boxes can get you sets and not just one single lipstick, but these are matte lipsticks. And it says that they're watermelon scented, so I'm excited for that. I love watermelon scented anything, so I'm so excited to get these lipsticks. Okay, girl, so for our fifth and final spoiler for the Ice Cream Beauty Box is going to be a product from Queen Studio. And this is going to be their Bow Down Brow Glue. And this is going to be a clear brow gel, so I appreciate that it's clear because nobody has to worry about if we're going to get the right color or not. It has a small applicator, and it says that it's long lasting. It's supposed to last all day, 16 plus hours. So I am so excited. We got a mascara from them last month, and I'm so excited to try their brow gel because I loved the mascara. I think their mascara is really good. It lengthens my lashes, and I really do like their mascara. So I'm excited to try out their brow gel. Okay, so everybody already should know I'm so excited for the Ice Cream and St. Angel Sinners palette. I'm so excited, and my box cannot get here fast enough. I cannot wait to do my try on video because I'm like so excited to try this palette. But as always, let me know what you're excited about. I'd love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!